Now listen, while there are plenty of people who have issues with entering the market on the US30 or just trading on the US30, there is a group of people who's able to now confidently look at the US30 and like never before, they're able to see, you know what, I think that thing is gonna go up. I think it's gonna go down. They're building their confidence, okay? And this takes time when you're familiar with my trading framework, all right? So I want to share with you guys a student of mine by the name of Marilyn who sent me a message just yesterday before the market tanked, all right? And this is because I gave my students a signal to expect the market to rise from our white zone. Now, while this move may have been a short-lived move, the market still went up and she was able to earn. Let me just show you what she had to say, all right? So as you guys can see, Marilyn messaged me and she sent me the mind-blown emoji, all right? And you can see here on her snapshot, she was up 522, and then on the next one, she was up 882, okay? Now, as you guys can see, I told her, I said, I'm glad that you caught this move down. And of course, that was a blunder because the market actually went up. And I said, so perfectly timed for real. Then I went on to say, it's looking good and still going too. And she said, I closed it down once this candle started pulling back. And then I said, that's okay. I'm glad you got to see how this level was supreme. All right, we're talking about the white zone, okay? And then I told her, I said, great job again, Marilyn. Now I want you guys to know, if it wasn't for SMS, I think that Marilyn would have stayed in that trade a lot longer than what she had anticipated, all right? And she would have ultimately lost her account. But luckily she jumped out, because shortly after she jumped out, the market still went up for one more session and then the market tanked. You're talking about 500 points, then it rallied a little bit, then it dropped down some more. You know, you're talking about it dropped down like 800 points all in one day. So that would have been a disaster for her. But luckily, because of SMS, she realized that it was a short-lived move expected, and she jumped out, so she was able to secure over $800, all right? So listen, if you're struggling to trade on the US30 or just trade in general, because my trading framework works on all markets, you must get connected, all right? You must realize exactly how you can do this. Now, I want you guys to remember, we do have our buy now, pay later option, where you can get involved now, pay a small percentage, you can pay it over time, all right? 3-4 months, or you pay it all within 30 days. We have that option now available, okay? So if you want to take advantage of it, this is the perfect time, because you pay a small amount up front and then you can pay the rest over time, okay? And remember, we do have our US30 and Nasdaq combo that's going on, our 2-in-1, and it's going off tomorrow. Just want to let you guys know it's going off effective tomorrow. All right, so get involved right now. That way you can take advantage of it. And then also, remember, we have our US30 refresher tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, all right? So listen, just as I tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. And as always, remember to remain and stay prayed up in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video, all right? Peace and blessings, everyone.